What's up, guys? I'm Zane, and today we're going to make a comparison between Twitch versus Kick. Which one is the best streaming platform? This is actually an important question that is not only important for me and you, but for all the streamers. Twitch has been the premier destination for live streaming content over the years, primarily meant for streaming video games, but now with plenty of other types of content to watch. You have just chatting, podcasts, reaction streams, and many other things. While Kick has just recently come into the scene, and at first, people kind of dismissed it as the next Mixer, a Microsoft streaming venture that tried and failed to compete with Twitch. Kick offers most of the same features as Twitch, with missing mainstays like the ability for chat to clip things being added. Why are the streamers switching to Kick from Twitch? One big difference right now is that Kick seems to be a little bit more creator friendly, at least from the money side of things. Twitch has filled the heat lately after people didn't take kindly to their 50-50 revenue split model. Most creators will only receive half of the money from subscriptions, with the rest going to Twitch itself. Kick, on the other hand, offers streamers a 95.5 revenue split, with the lion's share going to the creator. Creators also seem to receive 100 of donations as well. That alone is luring many popular and so popular streamers away from Twitch. It's also making people wonder how that's even possible. The bewildering, the ever popular XQC has made the jump to Kick, and it's rumored that his takeaway from this deal will be in the ballpark of $100 million. And many streamers right now retain the ability to simulcast while working with Kick, which means that they can still stream their content on other websites at the same time, potentially increasing their take home even further. Many streamers moved from Twitch due to many issues with them. Some streamers got permabanned, and that's why they moved to Kick. And many streamers stated that they were tired of Twitch's policies on things like exclusivity ads and revenue subscription splits. So Kick is now a way to improve the live streaming and prove it for many kinds of streams. Now, who actually owns Kick? Kick is a little less transparent than Twitch in terms of where their backing money is coming from. While Twitch streaming service is owned by Jeff Bezos' Amazon, which comes with its own bevy of questions, and other popular streamers have the backing of YouTube and Facebook, there's not really much information about the folks behind Kick, and it's just like other platforms as Telegram, for example. We don't know who exactly owns it. But don't worry, guys, this doesn't really scream legitimacy or trustworthiness. And in my opinion, Kick will continue to grow in popularity, and I'm sure more advertisers and interested parties will inquire within and maybe probe a little deeper into what's going on behind the scenes. So, which side is winning? It's really hard to say whether Twitch or Kick will come out on top, but they are both capturing the attention of plenty of people, with all sorts of big streamers moving to Kick. One can only expect it to grow even more and more. Twitch has the legacy and the huge viewership base to start with, but Kick's growth is pretty explosive. It will be interesting to see if they can keep this momentum going, and that is what actually a new streaming service needs. So the question of which one of them is better streaming platform, I will make you all guys answer it in the comments. So tell me exactly what's your opinion and which streaming platform do you see as the best. And that's all for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you guys in a new video.